everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to fold an origami pumpkin, and this model is an easy model. You're going to need one square piece of origami paper. You're going to start by folding your paper in half, bringing the top corner to the bottom corner. Now you're going to fold this corner over to the opposite corner. Like that. Now you're going to open this flap up and squash it down. Turn your model over and open this flap up. Squash it down. Okay, now, once you have that done, the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to flip your model over. You're going to open this up and fold this top corner behind the rest of your model. Then flip your model over and repeat. Just like that. Okay. So now that you have that done, the next thing that you're going to do is turn your model over and fold this in about there. Fold it over like that. Fold that flap over and then fold it in, trying to align the edges. Okay, so now that you have that done, you're going to fold this edge over that there, and fold that over, and repeat, trying to keep the edges the same, just like that. Okay. Now you're going to take these little triangles up top, you're going to fold it down, and then back up, like that. Then the same thing here, fold it down, and then back up, just like that. Okay. Now you're going to flip your model over, fold this bottom triangle up, and this corner over, and this corner also. And then there you go, an origami pumpkin. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you might want to check out some of my other origami videos, or go to paperfoldingfun.com for printable PDFs or tutorials for any of the models that you like. So have a good day, keep folding, and I'll see you in upcoming videos. Bye!